Hello and welcome to this very special edition of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree News. I'm your host Scott, and tonight we will be joined by some reporters in the field who also happen to be me, and we'll be bringing you some very exciting Scott Grows an Avocado Tree news. Our first story for tonight is about the branding of the Scott Grows an Avocado Tree channel. I'm joined by Scott. Since Scott Grows an Avocado Tree began, there has always been one profile picture and one banner picture on YouTube, which was just a photo of the avocado that I took the first seed out of, and then with some text over the top for the banner. I decided it was time to get a little fancier and get some help. I recently saw a design while browsing Reddit that really caught my eye, and so with that I got in contact with the artist, Mikachu, and commissioned her to do some art for me. It is with great pleasure that I am now using a new logo and banner for Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. You can find more of Mikachu's work on Instagram at Mikachu987. I really love the artwork and I believe it'll take us into the future. Yes, that is very exciting. Our next story for tonight is about Scott Grows an Avocado Tree expanding onto other social media platforms. Here's Scott. I've been thinking about branching out onto Instagram for a while, and now I am. If you are on Instagram, and if you want more avocado content, follow at Scott Grows an Avocado Tree, where you will find more regular avocado growing updates in between these videos. But don't be mistaken, the main place for Scott Grows an Avocado Tree is on YouTube. But if you're interested in a little bit more, come and join me on Instagram. Yes, I'll be sure to be giving that a follow. Our final story for tonight is about the progress of our avocado seeds. We are joined live by Scott in the studio. Scott, are there any updates to our avocado seeds? Scott, there's not much to report on at the moment. There are a few cracks starting to emerge and a few roots looking like they're going to pop out soon, but that's about all for now. Thanks very much, Scott. That's all we have time for today on Scott Grows an Avocado Tree News. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like. Make sure you check out Mikachu on Instagram. And while you're there, you also check out Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.